दीक्षा शेट्टी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप मेरे चैनल को पहली बार देख रहे हो एंड इफ यू लाइक व्हाट यू आर वाचिंग देन प्लीज कंसीडर सब्सक्राइबिंग। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ Amazon लहंगा अनबॉक्सिंग। क्योंकि फेस्टिव सीजन है सो आई थॉट आई शुड गेट समथिंग एथनिक एंड Amazon की पैकेज तो आपको पता ही होगा, इट कम्स इन दिस नॉर्मल बैग and I got it within 3 days after placing the order. So without wasting time, let's just open this up. Comes in this clear bag. The name of this lehenga is Kedar Fab. First of all, let's see how this blouse looks. It's not completely pink, it's kind of magenta pink, and the embroidery work is very beautiful. It has this golden and baby pink colored hand embroidery. That's what I feel it looks like that.
The fabric is taffeta silk, and if you see the fabric in two different angles, you get to see two different colors. It has a mixture of maroon and purple or magenta color, and it has kind of a shine. The fabric is not very shiny, but it has a tint of a shine, and the opposite side of the embroidery also is very neatly made. You don't see a lot of unwanted threads.
This is the sleeve part, which I think is very beautiful. So I'll give a very closer picture of this, and design or this embroidery exactly looks how it's shown on the website picture. Then this extra fabric, which is going to be your back of the blouse. It's just a plain fabric, and the fabric feels good. It's not rough or very shiny or anything. It feels nice on skin, and the fabric is around 0.80 meter, which I think will fit someone with the 42 or 40 up to 44 of a bust size. So next, let's come to the lehenga part. This is how the lehenga looks. Very beautiful design. It has embroidery all throughout its skirt.
The flare of the lehenga is 2.5 meters, and there is no cancan attached, so it won't give you any kind of a round effect. It stays or stands flat.
And the design or embroidery here looks very neat. There is no threads hanging here and there, and it has this beautiful embroidery over its waist. So this is how it looks.
It has this waist design which makes you feel like it's like a gown, and the waist size is 42 inches and hip size is 46 inches.
The length of this lehenga is 47 inches. So next, let's see how the dupatta is. This is how the dupatta looks. It comes in this light pink color and has got this lace detailing. But I'm not really impressed with the dupatta part because the fabric is not that great. It is very stiff and looks very cheap, and I think the length of this is around 2 meters. I'm going to stand like the way you want it. It feels very rough on skin and I'm really not happy.
The dupatta is very weird. You can see me struggling to wear it properly. It feels like a plastic cover.
So now coming to the price, the original price of this was 5,000 rupees and the discounted price is 1,300 rupees, which I think is the best price for this lehenga. And everything about this lehenga is really good. The fabric, the embroidery design, or I mean everything. The stitching, everything is good. I'm a little disappointed with the dupatta part. Other than that, everything is perfect, and I would like to rate it 3 out of 5. And guys, I hope you guys liked today's review, and if you want me to review on any other products, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.